Hocus Pocus. What is up, everyone? This is She Found It, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my 7 favorite self-care products. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a little bit of a product junkie. I love trying new things for your body, your skin, face, hair, all of that stuff. Speaking of hair, I think it's keeping up pretty good. But these 7 things are 7 things that I have kept in my regimen pretty consistently, and they're products that I love. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk to you about today is my body exfoliator. I love this thing. It's a dry brush. I use it in the shower. I put a little bit of body scrub on that, or I'll apply the body scrub to my skin first, and I will rub that baby all over me, and it really helps promote circulation within the body. It's kind of a thing. If you don't know it, you gotta get on it. Honestly, not only does it exfoliate your skin, but I don't know, like, I just feel so much better after I use this exfoliator. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It feels great. There's something about like getting a little bit of a scratch on your skin, like especially on your back, that is just so awesome. So I highly recommend this. You can pretty much find these things anywhere. I bought mine from Winners. I'm sure TJX or a natural store or anywhere you can find these things. My second favorite products that I'm using right now are the Acure face cleansers. Honestly, these are my favorite face cleansers. I've tried so many different types of face cleansers. I've had problematic skin for a really long time, most of my life actually, and these cleansers just seem to really calm my skin down. I use the creamy cleanser, which has an amazing smell to it. It's very light. It's a very moisturizing and smooth on my skin. Then I also use the gel. The gel really makes my skin feel squeaky clean, that sudsy feeling sometimes you want out of a face cleanser. I tend to use that after I've worn makeup, and it literally just gets rid of all that little bit of leftover residue that's on your skin from your makeup, because you have to get that off before you go to bed. Definitely use that only at night. I don't use it as my morning cleanser ever. My morning cleanser is always the Acure cream cleanser. I really love those products. Probably gonna stick with them for the foreseeable future. Now, I love to go natural on my products as often as I can, and the one thing that I have really stuck to for a long time has been apple cider vinegar. Not only do I use it in my hair, but I also use it on my skin. I take apple cider vinegar and I do a 50-50 mix. I do 50% apple cider vinegar. The other 50% I do distilled water in a bottle, and I use it as my toner, and I love it. You have to kind of get used to the smell, but after a while, I'm so used to it now that I don't even care, but it almost gives this like tiny little tingly effect on your skin. Now, I do not recommend using apple cider vinegar on your skin after you have done a heavy exfoliator of any kind. Exfoliators tend to nick at your skin a little bit.
Ouch!
And although you can't see it, those are little micro cuts on your skin. Now, when you apply apple cider vinegar on top, it's very acidic and it definitely burns. I have done this a couple times. I do not recommend it. It does not feel nice. It hurts. It really hurts. Just avoid that. Alright, so number 4 is my Rocky Mountain soap. I love Rocky Mountain soap. They make amazing soaps. They're super natural. My favorite is the candy cane scent. I love it. I get it every year for Christmas from one of my aunts because she knows how much I like it. I like that it's all natural. I feel really clean after. It's one of my favorite products. I've been using this soap for years. I love natural soap. Every so often I do switch it up. I'll use like a shea butter based soap or African black soap. I do really enjoy using that, but I do stick to the Rocky Mountain soap. I don't know if I'm ever gonna change that. I'll probably always get it for Christmas as long as they continue to make that candy cane scent. Okay, so my number 5 product, which is my favorite thing right now, is my Mill Creek Botanicals Vitamin E cream. I am obsessed. I love it. It's my favorite product right now. I have searched high and low for face cream that did not make my face feel greasy. I find a lot of creams, maybe it's because they were laden with mineral oils and other kinds of stuff, but I always find that I have this like thick layer of, you know, grease. Yeah, it could be more moisture, but when I'm trying to apply makeup, I don't want that on my skin, and I find that they just don't absorb. So when I started using this cream, I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it out. I love it. Like, it's amazing. It absorbs into your skin really, really quick. It's just very light, it's moisturizing. I'm hydrated through the entire day. Don't have issues with oil anymore, which I used to kind of get some oil around my nose, and I literally don't have it anymore. And I think that it's because I use this light face cream. I always use it during the day. Sometimes I'll apply it at night, but usually at nighttime I'll do a heavier application of something more nourishing, I guess. Like, I will put shea butter on my face at night. For my morning and pre-makeup, I always use the vitamin E cream. So my number 6 product is the Cocokind Matcha Moisturizer. I actually really like this, definitely in the winter time. Those cooler months in the year when your skin is feeling a little bit extra dry, using this is a godsend. It has saved my skin in the winter time, and I usually use it at nighttime before I go to bed. This is one of my heavier applications. It's really good and nourishing and moisturizing, and it's got a lot of really great natural things. Cocokind is an amazing brand. I really like all of their products. I've been using them now maybe for about a year. I do use their sea moss exfoliator, which I really like. I've used their raspberry toner in the past, which I did like. As I said before, apple cider vinegar all the way for me. However, Cocokind does have a lot of really awesome products, and they're all natural, powered by women, and I absolutely love this brand. The Matcha Moisturizer is definitely a try, especially if you have dry skin and you have issues in the winter. I would highly suggest it. And last but not least, number 7 is the Cocokind Sea Moss Exfoliator. Now, this exfoliator is very interesting because it does not have thick beads or thick, salty, grainy type stuff in it that's going to cause your skin to feel like it's being really dug at. However, it does give a really great exfoliation. Absolutely love this product, and I keep buying it and I keep buying it, and I use a lot of it. I love it. It's a very delicate, it's a powder, like it's like a dry sea moss. I don't even really know how to explain this. You'll see. It's very light. It has a delicate graininess to it, like sand. No, not even like sand. Lighter than sand. It's like the middle point of like dust and sand. If that even makes any sense, I do not know. But it's light. It's very easy to apply. You just dump a little bit into your palm. This is what I do. Get a little tiny bit of water in there, rub it around, and then scrub your face with it. It's so gentle, it's so delicate, and for somebody who has problematic skin such as myself, I just find this very soothing on the skin. So I feel like I'm getting an exfoliating situation going, but I'm not being abrasive and damaging my skin. Go give this product a try. Promise you won't be disappointed. I promise. So I hope that you learned something today from this video. I hope that one of these products maybe works for you. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Please subscribe, like, share with your friends, and I will be back again very shortly with another video for you. No. We're not gonna say that. Ugh.